going on, everybody out there? This is Jake James Lugo, Senior Editor here at TheCoalition.com, and I am back again with a brand new unboxing and impressions video for you guys here on the channel. We're going to be taking a look at this gaming table, the RSP 1063 from Respawn. Respawn, not too long ago, we actually looked at one of their gaming chairs, their mesh chair, which is pretty cool, but Respawn decided to send us over this big table, which came in a huge package. It was pretty damn heavy. So big shout outs to them, but we're going to be taking a look at this table, see what it's all about. Now, according to the box, as I actually take my scissors here and start to open it up, the table is supposed to not only be able to, be sturdy enough to kind of like, be a good setup for your gaming stuff, like your console, your PC and stuff like that, but the table itself is covered completely in a mouse pad. So the actual material that you would find in mouse pads, you would see that on the surface of this table. So we're gonna see what it's all about. We're actually gonna put it together, much like what we usually do here on the channel. We're gonna put it together and we're gonna see how it actually functions. So there'll be a couple cuts throughout this entire video. There'll be some little tidbits of stuff, as I go through step by step. But we're gonna take a look at the contents of this actual table in the box here. So we got all our instructions, of course, everything else over here. I'm gonna show you guys on the camera. Not really much to see, but again, the instructions, which is very, very important. We have already, now I can already see that's covered here in the actual section, which is also very heavy, which is the table surface itself, the desktop. So I'm gonna pull out all of these different pieces just to show you guys. They're numbered, with different things. Again, there's not much to see. It's just a black table, but it has like a little, I guess, cup surface there or something that I could put on the actual table itself. But I'm gonna start pulling out all these different sections of the table, putting them to the side, and then as I go through this video, we're gonna put together all the different parts. I'm gonna go through step by step, so there'll be frequent cuts here throughout, but as you guys can see, these are all the different parts of the table. I'll probably have a cut here in a second, just again, because there's really not much to see inside other than the various different big little sections of the table itself that are just laid out and neatly packaged, which is pretty damn good. I'm going to put this to the side, move all the cardboard and foam and stuff. There's a lot of different pieces. This is going to be a little bit complex to put together, but hopefully it's going to look real nice by the time we're done. So I'm going to have a cut right here, and we'll start actually putting the table together right about now. As you guys can see here, this is already the first step of the table, me constructing it. What you guys didn't see on camera, which again I had a quick cut, was me putting all together the different pieces on the base already for the top part section, which is what I'm guessing the other parts of the table are going to rest on, or at least they're going to lie on. So this is pretty sturdy. Again, a lot of this is made out of steel, not plastic, which is pretty cool, but I'm going to continue doing the other steps of the table as we start to build it up, and then finally we'll be able to test it out to actually see how this table from Respawn actually is, which we will continue in just about right about now. So here's the next step for you guys. Again, that was another quick cut. That actually took a little bit in between cuts. You guys are not really going to see that, but to let you guys know, what I did was I put everything else together. I put the actual wood section on the bottom and then put the little base that we built right on top of it and then screwed everything in. So now it actually looks like a table overall, and it is pretty damn sturdy. It feels pretty good overall, but there's still another step, and then we're also going to test this out in just a second, where we have to actually put the mouse pad mat on the top of the table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another quick cut where I'm going to flip over the table, put the mat on, and then we're going to take a look at it and actually see what is going on with this actual table. So we'll cut right about now. So here we are. This is now the table complete. Now there is an asterisk to this actual table, the way it's designed now and the way that I actually have it displayed here on the camera. What I have the table on now is in actually like display mode 1, which is basically the shorter version, but there is an actual third section that goes right into the middle that makes the table a little bit larger. The only reason why I have it into this now is because, again, with the room and the space that I have to work with now, it'd be a little bit too much. But basically, the one criticism I can't say about this pad, okay, because here's the pad. As you guys can see here, it's obviously longer than the table mode that I have it on. This pad is only made for when the table is in the extended mode, which, not gonna lie, a little bit annoyed about that. I wish that there was a second pad that came with this, so that way you could actually fit into the first mode that you actually could set up the table. But being as it is now, trying to make things work, I actually have it where I have it just draped over here, so it doesn't fully comfort completely the table in of its whole. But still, for what it is, as far as the pad feels very good overall. You could put like your mouse, you could put your computer, your laptop, desktop, whatever it is on here, and it feels pretty good. It feels very sturdy, feels very high quality for the pad that it is. But again, my only major criticism thus far is not having a pad that works with the first display mode on the table. But even if you were going to put this in the second display mode, which is again the longer version of it, this pad would completely cover it, and it would actually look pretty nice. It's got the Respawn decal on it, it's got the Respawn branding on it, so to kind of complete the package, we're actually going to look at this with our Respawn mesh chair. Remember, this is the mesh chair that we looked at before with Respawn, so just to show you guys, as far as like scale, where it actually lays right here. So when you have your chair here, even if you got it like on the lowest mode setting, you have the table that reaches right on the nice good surface level, so you guys could actually, again, use your mouse pad, use your computer, play your games, or whatever else you're gonna put on here and actually work with. So I wanted to kind of throw this in here real quick just to show you guys, this is the actual long form version of the table. I actually was kind of messing around with it a little bit and actually trying to see if, I could get it to fit within the area that I have here. And it actually does, thank God. So a little bit different than what I was saying before, but I still think that the actual mat should have like an actual second one, or at least have some sort of way to fit just the first actual display mode when it's actually shorter. But this is the full table, the Respawn 1063 in its entirety with the entire mat put on the top. Again, it feels very good, feels very cool. You could use this entire mat as like a mouse pad. Again, it's that same type of material. You can put your desktop, you can put your game system, your television monitor, anything of the sort right on here. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys that little quick thing along with the rest of this unboxing and impressions video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below in the comment section. Tell me if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and also let me know any suggestions that you guys want to see in the series, or any sort of things that you guys want us to take a look at. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the Coalition's YouTube channel for more videos just like this one. We have a lot of great content for you guys here to enjoy. Anyway, I will talk to you guys again very soon. Peace out and stay epic, everybody.